globe showing Europe, Africa. Welcome to the Exploring the World of Wildlife channel. Here, we will explore the most unique wild animals on this planet together. From the fiercest creatures to the most beautiful and bizarre species you've never seen before. Tiger, let's learn about rare, giant, and mysterious animals that nature has bestowed upon us. If you're an animal lover and want to expand your knowledge of the wild world, you've come to the right place. Bell, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Sure. Here is the translated text. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Exploring the World of Wildlife. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of bird communication. Have you ever wondered why some birds can talk and others cannot? Let's explore the amazing skills of these feathered friends. Birds are remarkable communicators. They use a variety of sounds, from chirps and calls to complex songs. But what makes certain birds, like parrots and mynah birds, capable of mimicking human speech? Let's find out. Firstly, it's important to understand the anatomy of birds. Birds have a unique vocal organ called the syrinx, located at the base of the trachea. This allows them to produce a wide range of sounds. Parrots, for example, have a highly developed syrinx, enabling them to mimic the sounds they hear in their environment. Birds are social creatures, and their ability to communicate is vital for survival. In the wild, they use calls to warn each other of predators, attract mates, and maintain social bonds. Parrots, in particular, are known for their intelligence and social nature, which makes them capable of mimicking human speech as a way to bond with their companions. Another factor is the environment. Birds exposed to human voices from a young age are more likely to learn words and phrases. Training also plays a crucial role. With patience and positive reinforcement, owners can teach their birds to mimic specific sounds and even phrases. But speaking isn't the only way birds communicate. They also use body language, colors, and other signals to convey messages. For example, a bird might flap its wings or change its posture to express its feelings. So, we've explored glowing star. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed what we shared and want to explore more exciting things about the world of wildlife, please help us by liking this video. Loudspeaker, don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all discover the wonders of nature together. And most importantly, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Folded hands, thank you for supporting the Exploring the World of Wildlife channel. See you in the next videos.